Har Har Mahadev to all. Let's add some textures, which is procedural texture, and I completely made them in Blender. So we will achieve this goal in this video. We'll try to make these kind of textures on our pillar. So let's get started. So go into shading mode. Okay, now we will add some materials. I have added a material which is principal BSDF. Then add noise texture. Follow along with this video if you can or if you want, and add some noise texture. After that, add color ramp, which you can find in the color ramp in color option. This is Blender 5.2 version, which is LTS version, but this principle will remain same in any version of the Blender. Adjust the color, or I have copied hex values, so I will paste into it, and you can give any of the color with whatever you want. Now what you have to do, you have to adjust some color basically, or the ramp values, to increase your noise level and increase your color variation. So play around with this color ramp, and it's fine for me. After that, click on noise texture and press Ctrl T. Enable Node Wrangler add-on. I will tell you how in the next video, or in short video you can find. Play around with these values like distortion, scale level. It's completely up to you. I'm giving you such kind of examples. And one more thing you can do, object connect with a vector, or you can connect generated with the vector as well. It's completely up to you. For me, it's fine for now. After that, once you have done with this, add some bump node and normal nodes. Add bump node, then add normal node, which is in displacement basically, and then you have to connect normal with the height. Now add noise texture also if you want, and you should add. I would highly recommend you, and connect color with the color value, and again press Ctrl T. Now you can adjust your noise value in distance as well to make it visible. For me it's 0.005, it's enough, and you can check. Yeah, it's visible now. And now you can increase reference value from here as well, and also in principal BSDF as well, so that it will more look like a stone, because it's not shiny. Adjust the scale value in this map. For me it's fine for 1, and Z is 2, it's more than enough. I will again say play around with these values, because it's completely experimentation. I'm also experimenting with these values. It's all about practice. I'm going to join these windows so that these node setup will more visible to you. That's fine. Now I'm zooming in. You can check the values, and you can pause the video for now if you really want to copy this setup, and you are good to go. So we have created this pillar, and it's looking nice as of now. If you really like it, please comment how it's looking. Also like and subscribe my channel so that you can find these kind of useful videos. So that's it for this video. Har Har Mahadev.